कहते हैं सिखाती ज़िंदगी भी है और सिखाता टीचर भी है। फ़र्क सिर्फ इतना है, टीचर सिखा के इम्तहान लेता है और ज़िंदगी इम्तहान लेकर सिखाती है। फ्रेंड्स, in this journey of life, the lessons that life is going to teach, if we are better prepared for it, if we are better planned for it, we can have a better life ahead. Because इम्तहान तो ज़िंदगी लेगी, तैयारी कैसी है जीत की, वो हमारे और आपके ऊपर निर्भर करता है. And that is why I'm going to talk about career decision making today. When it comes to career decision making, generally हम लोग करियर डिसाइड करते हैं कुछ कॉमन पॉपुलर ट्रेंड्स को फॉलो करके. In fact, I would like to mention that in India the problem is not of unemployment, problem is of misplaced employment. And that is where I would like to emphasize. People are running. India is a largely populated nation, but with enough opportunities. There is enough for each one of us. Our problem is we are running behind this. Almost everyone is running behind the same option, and because everyone is running behind the same option, we feel that competition is too much. Population is our problem. No, population is not our problem, friends. Our planning, our decision making is problem. Running after popular trend, is that a good idea? Well, it's not a bad idea either. But then running after popular trend because we have not explored any other option is not the right idea. And that is what I'm wanting to emphasize on for our planning. When there is any young friend, you want me to stop? When there is any young friend who is thinking of a career or a subject decision after class 10, which is the first stage of decision making in our Indian context, first most significant stage. General popular way of taking decision is whichever subject I am scoring better is the subject I wish to take up and pursue further in future. Another way of taking decision making is whatever my elders have done, my elder brother has done, what my parents have done, follow the same suit. That's not a wrong way to decide, but that is a limited way to decide. There are much more opportunities that are waiting to be explored. I personally feel that all of us should go through a 3-step process. Know yourself, inform yourself, and plan for yourself. When I say know yourself in what context? Know your strengths, know your weaknesses. Knowing your weakness, not to limit yourself. Know your weakness, not to restrict yourself. Know your weakness, not because you have to change your path. No. We all have strengths, we all have weaknesses. When I'm pursuing any decision, I should know my weaknesses so that it doesn't obstruct my movement when I'm moving ahead in that direction. Know your personality, know yourself in terms of your personality characteristics, because every career requires a particular kind of a person, particular kind of an attitude, particular kind of an aptitude, and you need to be self-aware in that context so that you can match the career opportunity with your personality type. Because when your personality type matches with the career opportunity, you will be much more happier in life. Then comes a question, what should I inform myself about? Inform yourself about the career, the information about the colleges. Yes, that is the general trend, but there is something more that you need to work on. Say for example, let's take an example of engineering as an option that you are wanting. When I talk to young friends, they say after class 2 that I want to become an engineer, I want to become a doctor, I want to become a manager, which are the general suggestions which come up. When you say I want to be an engineer, the first question you need to ask and you need to inform yourself about, what do an engineer do? When you say that I want to be a doctor, you have seen a doctor in your house, but then do you really know what goes into the work profile. It's not just what you see in the movies. Career is much more than that. You need to inform yourself about what that career actually is all about, what engineering is all about, what medicine is all about, what do I do when I become an engineer, doctor, or a manager, what kind of, and there you need to inform yourself about what is the nature of work, what kind of person it requires, what are the specializations in it. You may be wanting to be an engineer, and you find out about say mechanical engineering, and then you say, no, I'm not interested in engineering. The nature of work of mechanical engineering and nature of work of chemical engineering and nature of work of information technology engineering would be very, very different and varied. Maybe you don't like mechanical engineering, but you may be very much interested in information technology. So you need to inform yourself about the career opportunities, go in depth, know about the career specializations, career type, nature of work, the kind of personality it requires. Inform yourself about that. And then comes planning and preparing for yourself. Friends, match the first two. Knowing yourself, the data that you've collected, informing yourself, the data that you have collected. Put the two together, you'll be reaching closer to a decision that suits your aptitude, that matches your profile. And once you reach to that decision, it's time to find out which institute, where to go, what is the nature of competition, what will I do if I don't get selected into a particular decision that I have taken, what will be my alternative pathway. When you plan in this particular way, you will always find that you are always going towards the right direction and your momentum is good. And friends, I'm sure when you will be thinking about careers, you'll be having a lot of thoughts racing your mind that I'm good at this, I'm good at that. You need to remember, focus demands sacrifice. You need to keep your mind on one focus. और कहते हैं ना, लगी रहे नजरें किनारे पे तो कभी तो लहरें आएंगी, न जाने तकदीर किसके किस झोंके से हमारी भी जिंदगी बदल जाएगी. If you stay focused, destiny is going to help you, destiny is going to come your way. So stay focused, stay working on your career, know yourself, inform yourself, and plan for yourself. God bless.